Welcome. In this video, we're going to get started setting you up so that you can start programming in Python. Python is a great programming language to learn as a beginner. There's obviously other programming languages that you should be learning in the future, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get you set up with an editor, a code editor. It's just a way to enter in code. So pull up your browser and let's search for VS Code. Here you'll see the download button, or you can go here to the main page and then find your way to the downloads. This is the installation for Windows, or if you have Mac or Linux, just go through the installation process by installing here. I have Windows, so I'm going to be installing for Windows. And open it up, accept the agreements, and you probably want a desktop icon, and add to path. Hit next and install. Finish. And you should see Visual Studio Code on your desktop as an icon. And when you open it up, you should see this welcome. You can make a new file if you would like, or you can go up here. So let's just make a new file. And here it'll ask you what you want the name to be. I'm just going to call it my first program, and ensure you add .py because that's what makes it a Python file. And I'm just going to add it to my desktop and create file. So we are almost done setting everything up. You can start adding code here. However, before you can start coding in Python, you need to actually install Python on your computer so that this editor can put the code through what we call the Python interpreter, so it can interpret all the code and run it as a working program. So let's open up the browser again, download Python, open up python.org here. As long as it's the latest version, you can download it here. Or obviously if you have Mac, you can select Mac or Linux here. So just download it for your operating system and open it up. And before you do anything, before you install this, it's going to save you some time if right now you just hit add Python to path. Go ahead and click that, make sure that is checked, and then install now. If you installed and did not check that, you can uninstall it from your operating system and reinstall it, making sure that path is checked. So let's close that and open up your Visual Studio Code, and you're ready to start programming in Python. So I will see you in the next video.